My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorizer, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. You find yourself that you have to clean your beautiful wool carpet, a Persian rug, a Turkish rug, because your dog or your cat using it sometimes. You try already all the cleaning process in the market. You bought Nature Miracle, you bought all kind of cleaning product from the pet supermarket, and now the smell become overwhelming. So now the question is what you should do. Who is the right service to clean your wool Oriental rug the right way and deliver to you without any trace of odor? Let me show you a revolutionary cleaning process designed to clean Oriental rug, silk rug, Persian rug, antique rug, and guarantee no trace of any odor. The PetPeePee machine that's cleaned your Oriental rug through, because the urine crystal, it's all the way in the middle of the rug, the area that nobody can reach it. Only the blended minerals from the Dead Sea that flood the rug on the top, and the vacuum from the bottom take everything through the rug, through the fiber, and wash and flush out all the urine crystal, the dirt, the dust, the cleaning product that you use. All of them wash out, fall down to the bottom, and go to the tube and show me what's coming from the rug. This is how I clean Oriental rug. This is how I got 5-star reviews on Google or Angie's List. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner and the inventor of PetPeePee. What makes PetPeePee cleaning process so unique? The color will never run. The blended minerals from the Dead Sea and a very, very strong vinegar will hold the fiber, will hold the color in the fiber. And the color will never, never run. Guaranteed. Hello and good morning. After 12 hours, the rug was drying on the floor. Now it's only damp, a little bit. I'm going to hang the rug because now the color will never run. There's no any color that will go down from the red to the white. This is the reason why we never hang the rug when it's completely wet after the cleaning process. We take it to the other bay, dry it over there for 12 hours, or we'll leave it on the floor if it's the last rug of the day. And then next morning I take the rug and I hang the rug on my aluminum beam.